Hey, how you doing? My name is Ricardo Figueroa. This video I'm going to show you a trick and a few ways to increase your affiliate marketing sales. These are just a few of many ways to increase your sales. You should try this, and this is what has been helping me with my affiliate marketing, making some money just promoting offers. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is basically you find an offer that people need. It could be the weight loss or any other offer. You promote that offer running paid traffic or free traffic, and if people buy or submit their email or all depends on how the offer pays, you get paid. You don't deal with inventory, you don't deal with merchant accounts, you don't deal with all that stuff. Basically, you are the middleman, and all you have to do is worry about the marketing between the product, you, and the customer, and that's it. That's why affiliate marketing is so nice. It's not like Shopify or e-commerce where you have to ship the product or physical product to the customer and deal with customer service and so on. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to do none of that stuff. But now let's go back to the slides. Let's say you are making money already. You're getting sales. How can you increase those sales with affiliate marketing? And also, um, before I end this video, I'm going to show you the platform that I'm using to create the landing pages, how easy it is to create them for a fraction of a price, plus all the great tools that they have inside of this platform, plus their affiliate marketing, their compensation plan, which is insane compared to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels way too expensive compared to this platform that I'm promoting right now and showing you how to create the landing pages and everything. So how can I increase the sales? Basically, you have to split test your landers. As you can see, I'm just having an example here, um, but how to get desired result. So test the headlines, switch the headlines to how to find the best idea to lose weight and so on. Just work on your headlines, try to switch them, use video, and also test the video against a picture and so on. So just work on your landing page all the time. And a good way to start, some people like to start with two different landing pages altogether, or maybe two similar, see what's working best. Some other people just prefer two different ones and come up with the winner, and then keep adjusting the winner until you increase your conversions. That's how you increase your sales so far without increasing your budget, just adjusting your landing page and make it better so you could increase the conversions. um, this is an example right now that the platform that I'm using is Builderall. It's super cheap. It's only $50 a month. Plus, you could have like unlimited landing pages and so many features, even autoresponder included. Graph, you can design videos, presentations like this one, all, all for $50. With ClickFunnels, once you reach 20 funnels, you have to pay $300 a month. With Builderall, it's only $50 a month. And like I said, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you their compensation plan. If you decide to promote this platform, if you are going to be just a user, it's fine. Still, like you could start with $9 a month, but just bear with me. So let's find another way to increase your sales with affiliate marketing. Just add, adjust your ad copy. In this example, this is a Facebook ad, but it's the same thing with Bing or Google or any other traffic network that you're using creating your ad. Just work on your ad copy. Change the text in your ad copy. Change the picture. Uh, just test different pictures against each other with the same text. Try not to change too many things at once, because you're not gonna know or notice quick what's working and what's not working. What I say with this is just don't switch the ad copy plus the picture. Just compare. Just do one thing and change it and compare and test. Change one thing and compare and test. So that's how you come up with what's working and what's not working. Also, you need a tracker. I use ClickMagick. There's also a link below this video. That's my affiliate link. I think you get like 14 days free, And I have another video on my in my channel that says I think it's called Facebook ads. Let me look it up real quick. Cause that video I run a campaign from start to finish, using Facebook ads without getting banned. In that video, it's kind of old, but I switched from ClickFunnels to Builderall because is Builderall is a lot better than ClickFunnels. But this is the video: how to run Facebook ad from start to finish, free training, affiliate marketing. Just watch the video, and I'm running. It's an hour and 23. Basically, that's a full course for free. And also, there's the landing page builder for 7 days below, so you could grab Builderall for 7 days, just play with it, and so on. So now going back here, ManyChat. This is a great way. If you're running your ads on Facebook, right, and people make a comment, you could set up your ManyChat to message that person that just commented on your ad, and automatically you can just say, hey, thank you for commenting on my post, here's the landing page, or here's the information. Or you could just ask any questions like how you doing today, and basically tell them to pick one answer below, like, yeah, I'm feeling good, not good, and so on. Just try that's the way I do it. I try to make them feel they're in a conversation, but it's a bot. It's not me typing. But ManyChat works like super great with that. And the CTR to look at the offer is insane compared to email. So I combine both. I do email marketing and ManyChat. Now the other one, I said ManyChat, email marketing. Once you start collecting emails, just have your autoresponders send the emails for you. And like I mentioned before, Builderall, it has also that included for free, included with the $50 um, a month. It's called Mailing Buzz. Now, if you use ClickFunnels, you will have to pay $300 a month just to use their autoresponder. And with Builderall, you can have all that for the same fee every month. Plus, I'm gonna show you some extra stuff that you need inside of Builderall, to for affiliate marketing, or for if you were coaching or promoting anything online. You need these tools anyway. So I'm trying to show you a way to save money, um, for tools that you and I need every day to make our living in online. Now, how to increase also your sales is creating the lookalikes. These lookalikes are made or created inside of Facebook. I have another video here on my channel about Facebook ads for dummies. Just look for that video, and I show you how to create those lookalikes, and basically just run a campaign or create a lookalike, and then run the ads to those lookalike audience. And Facebook will find your current customer. It will find a similar audience to your some customer that already purchased from you, or became a lead, or so on. There are so many ways, so many different lookalikes, but this is a spot that you really want to be when you deal with Facebook ads. You first just you test your targeting, right? Then when you start getting conversions, you must create your custom audience, and then your lookalike audience. And this is the sweet spot. When you get to this point, your conversions should increase. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're doing e-commerce, affiliate marketing, your coaching, your digital marketing agency, and so on. And remember, there's a video here about Facebook ads for dummies. Just look it up. I have some great videos here on how to promote things. For affiliate marketing, you see right here, Facebook ad for dummies, video 8, video 7, and so on. I have like 10 or 12 different videos there. So just go there and look it up. And also, let me show you a little bit more about Builderall. Um, so Builderall basically is a platform that we all need. It's a platform that has landing page builder. It has your mailing autoresponder included. Also has websites. You could create your own websites here, or you could just create websites for people, and then charge them. I have many ideas, but and I could help you if you don't once you if you decide to give it a test to build it all and you don't know really, you get overwhelmed because there's so many things to do and so many ways to make money with Builderall that is insane. And I think I have another video here about how to make money with Builderall. What is Builderall? Right here is like a half an hour video. You should check that out. And I covered so many ways to make money with Builderall. Plus, you will have my help if you decide to give it a try. It doesn't matter if you don't want to promote Builderall or not, or you just entrepreneur that want to make money online. You will get my help included, but you have to be an active with Builderall. I also created this presentation inside of Builderall. I made something quick, as you can see. I created my slides and added the pictures and so on. I created this, which is also included in the design presentation builder. They have a design studio, photo studios. You could create animated videos floating on top of your websites. You could create your own apps. Clip map. This is cool. The clip map is cool when because if you add this to your website, you'll know where people are clicking and not clicking on your website, how they're reacting to your pages and so on. So that goes back to this one right here about testing your landing pages. So if you're not testing your landing pages, you're just throwing money away. And with the click map, is super beneficial if you use that click map. This one right here, the click map, if you have to use it there, and that way you know where people are clicking, why they leaving your website and so on. Also something that I like here, they even have a Facebook chat bot. So let's say you create a post. Let's go back to the presentation real quick. Let's say you create your ad copy. When they comment, you could just comment right back at them on the spot using the chat bot. It's included with the membership. Also the script generator. This is huge. If you don't know how to come up with your own ad copy, all you have to do is just go back to this script generator, create your avatar. So basically your avatar is your customer. How do you define your best customer? Is it from 18 to 26? Is it do they like, what do they like, things they want, the pain point and so on. So this script generator will help you create your ad copy. And you could also generate a nice script and you can sell this to your team. Let's say you are network marketing, you could create any scripts here and just sell it. You have your avatar, like I mentioned. You create the avatar, you generate the script, and there you go. You see, you have something that works, and it could be used not for only affiliate market. It could be used for personal development, internet marketing, local businesses, health and fitness, sales, speakers, author, coaching, affiliate marketing, story email, software, and so on. So if you don't use this, you're losing a lot of money. Trust me, this will help you big time. If you are not that good with copywriting, I need to get better with my copywriting, and trust me, I use this and it works like a charm. Also, if you decide to promote, like I mentioned before, you don't have to promote Builderall. I do promote Builderall, but if you're an entrepreneur that is making money online, I bet you need your landing pages. I bet you need your autoresponder. These are the things that you really need to be successful online. With only $50 a month, you get everything in one place. Now, if you do decide to promote Builderall by helping others, you don't have to be a salesy pushing sales. All you're doing is helping people with the right tools, just like I do every day. I just help people set up the stuff, and I don't have to sell anything because I'm providing value to them. So let's say in 1 year you bring 200 people, you will make $10,000 up front, and this is your residual income. Now, since this is a tier 2 program, the money is in the tier 2. Let's say though out of those 200, 30 of them want to be affiliates, and how many sales each affiliate will make. Let's say two. See how your income, your residual income increase this every month. Let's say 4 sales each of the 30. See, $5,000 a month. That will help a little bit when it comes to making money every month. It's only 10,000 up front, but you're gonna get almost 5,000 residual income. So I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments below. What would you like to know about affiliate marketing or anything that is related using any of the tools here, landing pages, chatbot, webinar. They also have a webinar funnel here. And then my next video is gonna be the best proven sales funnels for this year. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe and have a blessed day on purpose. Don't forget also, before I leave, if you want to grab ideas on ads, go to Adspresso, go to the bottom of the page, and they have examples here. Just click there, type your niche here, and then this will give you at least 6 to 9 examples, and that's a good way just to start fresh. But don't forget to use Builderall for your scripts and so on, so you can get better ideas how to create your ads and improve and increase your earnings with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to adjust your landers, your ad copy, your ad money chat, automation bot, and email marketing. And if you're doing Facebook ads like me, this is where you want to be, the lookalikes. So that's it for now. Have a blessed day on purpose, and see you until the next one.